Hey guys, it's Owen with Midwest Mentors and Tim. We are here because we have a channel that helps people to learn from the mistakes that we made so that they don't have to make them too. And today we want to talk about a video that maybe you could make and share your ideas and thoughts with others. You don't have to be a professional presenter, and you don't need expensive equipment. You just need a useful story, a lesson, a project, or an experience that other people can learn from. Some suggestions are how not to get scammed. Maybe you have ideas about that. Maybe you're completing a remodeling project or do-it-yourself project that you can share with others. Maybe it's starting or operating a small business, or you have some plans for retirement that you'd like to share. Maybe you have some useful tools or website or process that would be helpful for others to see. Maybe you can learn from a costly or frustrating mistake that you made and you could share that with others. Yeah, you provide the knowledge and experience and just the video footage, the raw footage. We'll take that footage and we'll make it into a Midwest Mentors video.
Your contribution could be as simple as recording yourself on your phone. We're more interested in the story. Don't worry if you can't do all of the technical things. Our guy here can do all of that. You can send us photographs, short video clips, and record yourself explaining your experience. Don't worry about putting the clips in the right order or turning them into a finished presentation. Just send us the original material. Midwest Mentors can organize and edit it into the final video. If you have a good video but you're not sure exactly what to say, just let us know. Again, we want to help you communicate your story.
Your recording doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to record some thoughts and ideas that you have that will be helpful for others. There's no need to memorize long scripts or try to figure out everything. Just share some of your knowledge, some of the things you'd like to share with others that you think would be helpful, and we'll take it from there.
A good Midwest Mentors video should be helpful and easy to understand.
It should be based on real knowledge or experience whenever possible.
It should be honest about both the benefits and the challenges.
And it should focus on helping people and not on selling something.
So what have you learned that could help someone else?
Yes, if you have an idea for Midwest Mentors, you'll see our contact information in the description of this video. Send us a note and we'll contact you. We'll reach out and talk about it.
Don't you think this could be interesting? I think it could be interesting too, but more importantly, I think some of the mistakes that our viewers have made could really help others out.
So take a moment, share the mistakes that you made to help others so that they don't have to make them too. God bless.
God bless.